here's our handy dandy chain cleaner. We've got a little sieve in the middle, and we've got an old coffee can here. So we're going to put our chain in the chain cleaner. There we go. And now we're going to put that in the coffee can. And now I'm going to pour in my cleaner. I'm using white gas, but we're going to cover it up and we're going to shake them clean. Let the solvent drain for a while, and now we're going to take the chain cleaner with the chain out. Let's take a look at the solvent. That's all the gunk in the solution of the solvent that used to be on the chain. Let's take the chain out and see how it looks. Not too bad. Looks bright and shiny. You're going to need 2 tin cans to build your chain cleaner. Here I've got a 12.5 ounce dog food can and then a 12-ounce coffee can. When you select your cans, you just have to make sure, number 1, the small can fits into the large can, and number 2, you have a plastic or rubber lid that you can seal the top of the larger can with. As far as tools go, the most important thing is that you have a good sturdy pair of work gloves. You're going to be cutting up the tin cans and working with tin snips and those sharp metal. So you want to protect your hands with a good sturdy set of gloves. You're also going to need some sheet metal screws, tin snips, a drill bit, screwdriver, and a ball peen hammer. We're gonna go from our dog food can to our chain cleaner. And the first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna shape a shallow basket at the bottom of the can with our friend the ball peen hammer. All right, now it's time to drill some holes. Now we're gonna drill some starting holes so we can cut the can with our tin snips. So I've got a little piece of wood here to back the can a bit as I drill. Now we're going to use our tin snips to cut the can in half. So we've got those starter holes, and I'm just going to follow the mark. Okay, there we go. So now we have our can in two. We've got the basket for bottom section, and then we have the other half for the top section. And now we're going to attach the top to the bottom section by fabricating a set of tabs. And all that we're going to do is we're going to cut back a little bit more metal and drill some holes and screw those two pieces together. We're going to fabricate 3 tabs. 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to cut these back with our tin snips. Let's go up to the line. Okay, I'm just going to bend the tabs out. And now what I want to do is get in there with the tin snips and take the rest of the rim away. So, there we are. We've got our tabs, and now it's off to the drill press. I'm going to drill some holes into the tabs. Here we go. Now we're going to transfer the location of the holes onto the base. So I've got this mounted here. And got a mark here. Mark here, and now here's our last tab. There we go. Got our holes on the base. Now it's time to put the top onto the bottom to complete our chain cleaner. So using some sheet metal screws, we've finished fabricating our chain cleaner. All you got to do is throw it in our coffee can, toss in the chain, a little solvent, shake them up, let them drain, and you're set.